Hey, to turn on lighting edges on the Galaxy S24 or S24 Plus, all you have to do is just to go to the settings, and then from this scroll down until you locate notifications, click on them, and now move into the notification pop-up style. From this, select Edge Lighting Style, and now as you can see, we got our effects, and we can actually find there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 different effects. In my opinion, the glitter is actually the best, so that's how it looks. When you click on the color, for sure you can get automatic or pick your favorite, and you can go into the more advanced settings like the transparency of this effect, the white, and duration. Then you can click done, and that's actually the preview how your notification screen will look like when you receive new notifications. Also you can get the different one like bubble, there we go, or for example eclipse. So yeah, that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.